Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter or exit full screen mode in Microsoft Edge. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now luckily this is nice and simple to do, so if you have function keys at the top of your keyboard, look for the F11 key and click that. You can see we've now entered full screen mode and it's covering the whole screen. If you want to X out of it, we just simply click F11 again and it'll be back to normal. Now if this didn't work for you, there is another way. So you want to go to these three dots in the top right corner, and here where it says zoom, just to the right of it, there's a full screen icon and we can go ahead and click this to do it manually. Now if you want to exit by the same method, just hold your cursor up in the top right corner and this drop down will appear. Simply do it again, click the three dots and click it again, and it's back to normal. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.